So we have our ecosystem that is very much focused on helping us in the intelligent building space. And there's sustainability messaging there too, which is a nice add-in for sure. How can we leverage that with the A&D community to make them more effective and they can use the benefits of that with us? How can we bring that to play?
Every project has a different application. Within our ecosystem, we have different technologies that can be applied in many, many different ways. The opportunity here is to bring us in, and we can then bring in the proper technology partner and understand the best strengths that those partners provide to the specific applications that a project would need. So we can actually facilitate the conversation. To use a sports term, we could be the quarterback of the project by being able to provide specific technical leadership and understanding of what is smart building and how it can actually affect the occupant and the project. We can then pick the correct technology partner within the ecosystem to give them the best application for that specific project.
So it could be one partner, it could be two or three, all depending on the situation, right? And as our A&D partners learn more, see more, then they can leverage that whole community. Because we're always given the opportunity, hey, let's use, here's all of our partners, here's some good fits for what's going on in the opportunity, but then they get to leverage it even more.
So a lot of people are considering lights right now as a part of Power over Ethernet.
It's a big one.
We can go well beyond lights. There's significant applications: sit-stand desks, window shades up or down, coffee pots on or off, Power over Ethernet fridges, mini fridges in the rooms, HVAC design. All of these applications can be applied and brought to the client, the architect and designer, based on their needs of what they want to design.
So as you start looking at the roadmap forward, right, for people making decisions, are they going to go with sustainability reasons, intelligent building reasons, both? How can we help give keys or advice through the ecosystem or through ourselves to make sure they make that right decision? Because if I start designing a building today, that building most likely, depending on the size and scope, it could be 3 to 5 years out. And then if it's 3 to 5 years from now, it's already going to be outdated. So how can we help those folks that are maybe making that decisions on the fence either way, or I'm going to do a little bit, but I should do more? How can we help with the A&D community, where it starts? How can we help them?
There's a significant business case for green building. Folks that invest in sustainable design see a significant return on investment due to energy savings, due to indirect costs of human health and well-being. We've been designing buildings the same way for the past 100 years or so.
Pretty much, yeah.
As the smart building technology has evolved, if you're not thinking about including it currently in projects that are, like you said, going to be uprooted in 3 to 5 years, that building will be well behind the 8 ball by the time it actually gets occupied. Thinking about how to install smart building technology into projects that you have currently in design phase is a must to make sure that the buildings you're designing right now are not well behind the market when it actually gets constructed.